Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use TypeScript inside your Node.js application. Now I know Node.js is like providing TypeScript support out of the box, like first class TypeScript support, but it is still not stable yet, at least at the time of me recording this video. So if you are using some older version of Node.js, you will have to, I'll show you how to do it. I mean, it's not that complicated, it's quite simple. So first just create your Node.js project. So I'll just name it as first. You can name it whatever you feel like. So just drag and drop it over here. Then you can just create an index.ts file. Okay, and then I'll keep everything simple. I'll just console.log and I'll just say hello ts. Okay, then let's just okay, I'll just go to this folder which we have created inside our terminal. I'll clear everything out. Okay, and all I need to do is just run npm init-y. So it will create the package.json file for us. Then just install TypeScript, script. Okay, so once we have installed TypeScript, the next thing which we need to do is go to package.json. Just add a comma over here, and here just add start colon node dash dash watch lib and index.js. Make a notice of this lib. So we need when we try to compile our code, it should be stored inside the lib folder. That's what it means. And I will do one more thing, which is build tsc. Okay, so that's it. Now we need to come back to terminal and run npx tsc dash dash init. So it will create the tsconfig.json file for us. Now, like I said, we need to compile it to the lib folder, right? So just go to tsconfig.json, and here you have to search for out dir. Okay, so uncomment this, and here just write out dir dot slash lib. So yeah, that's it. Once you have done that, you just have to run npm run build. So it will automatically create the lib folder for us inside our project. So here you can see it has created the lib folder, and you can just now run npm run start, and it should print hello ts. Here you can see hello ts. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.